Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to take your sales from year to year and calculate either an increase or a decrease in Microsoft Excel. So here's a spreadsheet one of my coworkers gave me, and first I'll start out just by just calculating percentage as you normally would. So this would be our current sales minus our previous year's sale divided by our previous year's sales for a basis. And that shows our nearly 80% increase in sales. But when I drag that down here, I'm getting an error. So we're not showing an increase of 100% sales, which I'd like to see here, and I'm not showing a 0% increase. So it will show a decrease in sales. So what I want to see here is a 100% increase. It'll show 100% decrease. I'm not seeing a 100% increase. And then it's showing an error, which I want to get rid of. So first thing I'm going to try to tweak out is this 100% increase. So let me think about how I'm going to fix this. So I can use an if and function in here. So if I can say if this is 0 and if this is greater than 0, then I can display 100% here, and that's going to look a lot better than having an error. So let me try that. Let me put an if and so let's see here. So if A3 under January 17th, if that cell equals 0, and if this cell C3 is greater than 0, then let's see, I'm going to have to put, okay, my result, let's close this off, and I'm going to have to put my result if that happens. So value if, so if both of these occur, then I want to display 100%, because that would be going from 0 to some value. We want it to equal 100%. So I'm going to put a comma here, and if this is false, so otherwise, I'm just going to do my normal calculation. And I believe all I have to do is give myself a parenthesis right here, and that change, make sure I got all my parentheses, 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on that side. Okay, so I'm going to enter this, see if that'll fix my 0 to 100 problem here. And it does. So if I have $0 here and I have 100 here, that puts me up to 100% increase. Okay, so the next thing I need to fix is this error. So to fix this, I'm just going to use an if error formula. So to do that, I just type if error in the front of my formula. So I'm pretty much saying if this formula creates an error, put my other parenthesis, wrong parenthesis, then I want to display a 0. I think I might have too many parentheses here. Okay, so yeah, if this formula displays an error, I want to display a 0. Put my parenthesis over that, and that should cure the other problem that I have. So let me Alright, so here's where I had the error. So anytime I go from 0 to 0, it just shows up as 0. And that's because this function, is if error function, found that there was an error here, so it just threw the 0 in place. And it says % because I already had it formatted as a %. And there you go. That's how you show a change, either an increase or decrease in your percentage of sales.